Alright, what's up YouTube? We're going to be changing the O2 sensors on this 2001 Chevy Silverado. It's got the 4.8 four-wheel drive. Going to be doing it right on the snow. This is for pretty much anyone that don't have the convenience to use a lift or anything nice like that. You can crawl underneath this thing without a jack, but it's a tight fit. I recommend if you can use a jack, definitely lift it. I'm going to do it without doing that though. I'm going to change all 4 O2 sensors. I'm throwing codes for them. This truck has 247,000 miles. Figured I might as well change them all. Yeah, I'll be right back with you guys. Alright, if it'll focus. So there's the old O2 sensor.
You want another one?
This 97 Silverado. I highly recommend you use a torch. Heat those things up. Heat the little bung up that it screws into. Definitely makes a big difference as far as taking these out. So we're putting the heat to the O2 sensor. You want to just try to heat the bung that it screws into. I'd say heat it for a minute or two. And then immediately grab your wrench and break it loose. Be careful when you're screwing the O2 sensor out, because it will be very hot. It might take a little bit still to break it loose, but using heat, you will definitely get it broken loose a lot easier. If you don't have a torch, you could start your vehicle and let it get up to running temperature. You just got to be careful of the exhaust then, because that will burn you. Alright, got the new O2 sensor in. It's kind of a pain to get right there. You see the clip. You still have to put it in place, but it's a tight squeeze in between the drive shaft and the linkage for the transmission. If you have a lift, I definitely recommend throwing the truck on a lift. This is all on the ground, I'm doing it. But yeah, new O2 sensors in. Now we gotta go to this side and do that one. Then there's another one down here somewhere. Check back in with you guys. Alright, so I just finished up the O2 sensors. It was a pain in the fucking ass, but I got it done. Highly recommend that you use the torch. I mean, I couldn't even break the O2 sensors loose without the torch, so definitely do that. Another thing, make sure you put anti-seize on the threads of the O2 sensors before you install them, just in case you ever need to take them out again. They don't seize up on you. I used a 7/8 wrench and a torch. You might need a flathead screwdriver to get the clips off, but it depends on your situation. And the O2 sensor by the transmission, it's pretty damn tight. So if you got big hands and big arms, you're gonna have some issues getting to that clip up there to unplug it. But yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. Hope it helped you out. I'll be shooting some more soon. So I'll see you guys next time.